So guys, welcome back to the Child CAD Comrade. In today's video, we're going to learn about how to make an AutoCAD plan look 10x better. So basically, what we are going to do with this plan is that, first of all, that understand that the God is in the details. So first of all you have to do is add as much detail as you can as per your plan. Okay, so right now I'm adding the thresholds. Okay, now I'll copy them to their distinctive areas. So never forget about that God is in the details. So all you have to do first is add as much amount of details as you can so you can make your AutoCAD plan look 10x better. Basically, just go to threshold layer and I'm going to add some more lines. Okay, so basically what happens is that what there are very minimum options of doing things, like you can add some more lines, you can add a better block, you can hatch the plan. You can do is a better nomenclature, that is the annotation of the plan. And basically the things like that which helps which actually helps in the plan look way better. So yes, let's continue. Then this is also going to be a threshold. Make sure you match all the property as per your layers. Add as many thresholds there are. Don't be lazy. It will take just a few minutes to do that. And if you want to know the next things that you should do to make your plan look 10x better, then just skip for a few seconds, maybe 2 or 3 minutes, and then you will actually reach to the next section of the video, in which I'm going to teach you that what kind of hatches and things you should do to actually make your plan look better. So basically, I'm almost done with all the thresholds. I'll just check for the thresholds once again. This is an outdoor main gate, like a back gate. So that will also basically all the entries and doors that have a door will have a threshold itself. So this has no logic, like it is there, and you should just simply add it. Then the next step that we are going to do is that we are going to see basically this is a bedroom, so and this is a wardrobe. So what you have to do is that this should look like a wardrobe, like, okay. So what you have to do is you have to do some random lines right over here, like this. Do four of a kind like this, and then just copy paste them throughout the wardrobe. Now turn on the just I hope sometimes that even AutoCAD had the SketchUp access option as SketchUp has. So again, for the same, all we are going to do is that pick this, Control C, rotate, pick pick the midpoint, okay, and just place it right over there. So some of the lines are still missing because this is a bigger wardrobe, though you don't need to worry, just add a few more lines and you are actually good to go. So there are only three wardrobes over here, which is right over here. Yes, again, and we select a few because it's a guest bedroom, so it has to be like a guest bedroom, right? So we'll add only a few over there. Okay, we'll delete these. Okay, this looks good to me. Next you have to do is that you have to hatch the outer area. So I have this standards that I have set that what I'm going to use for a drawing, so that really becomes very easy for me to actually complete the drawing uh, quickly. So that is what. So if you like this idea of making a standard standards like this, then do hit me up. I will send you the link of this, and you can easily do it right from there. We'll do a hatch again, and this hatch is going to go below. Okay, so the outer deck is ready, the living area is ready, the wardrobes are ready, office is okay. Okay, then this actually looks good to me. So more things that I have already added the nomenclature, which is right over here. So just take notes that what are the things that you should do to make a plan look 10x better. Next we are going to go with a page setup. So this is an A4 which is just fine. We will just scale it and do it. So A4 see how A4 looks right over here. So just do a scale. I want a A3 portrait, so I'll just set these things over there like this. Oh, she's. We'll make this a block, so the text and things in that doesn't, you know. Now we will scale it as per we want it. Okay, so from picking it up from here, we are going to do is still here. Okay, this looks good. And yes, here we go right over here. Now we're going to do is explode and just next I'm going to do is the project details, which is in very big scale. I'm going to do is that scale it down first of all, and the lines not needed are gonna go. So this project's name is, so this we're going to give a color. So this is how the plan is going to be like. This looks good. It looks good to me. And the last step, which is right over here, is why is the hatch not here? Just copy the hatch and do it. End of discussion. Okay, this looks great. This is good for plotting. Previous A4, not A4. We want an A3. Thing is portrait, fit to pay, center the plot, plot transparency. Yes, and I will do is a preview. Okay, the page looks much neater and cleaner. Let's check in a grayscale because I might be printing it in a grayscale. Okay, this also looks good only to me. Legacy wireframe, it's just good to go. And just save it on the file that you need, and then you're good to go. So thank you for watching and share it with someone who may need